Sound of the street. Sound of the street.
Check it out, no doubt, yo. Check it, Sayman, yo. Yo. Ostentatious when spitting a melody of ice glaciers. I freeze MCs dead in their track. I'm spontaneous with spontaneity. Algorithm ride it easily. Ability on par with Jet Li. And not just verbally, bro. I come through Jackie Chan tuxedo in the danger room. Going blow for blow with cerebro low. Profile be my eyelids, dark iris. Hence the liquor I'm drinking, we black and Irish high. Still super mysterious like Bermuda. I'm the barracuda, swiftly maneuver looking to assassinate your capture your soul, remix your character. This rap is like a schoolyard. I'm the janitor for Pete's sake. Somebody tell Nestle I need a break from these Kit Kat 4-bar rappers on mixtapes. Claim they bad but they ain't seen a gel. Holding weight but they ain't seen a scale. Them man are pussy and they hideous. Lyricist, intelligent boxer with quick fists. While your frame on my toes remain nimble and swift. Elusive move show, sheer skill strike you with counter blows. Freeze folks, shock waves sent to your toes. Train intensely, remain triumphant throughout the century. I move like a dragonfly, sting like a killer bee. This'll be your time of crisis. I flow the nicest, throwing jabs, cross hooks, fatal blows with preciseness. Leave you dazed, eyes double glazed as I amaze. Enter second phase, haymaker blows. Rib cage, fold you up like origami. I intimidate your army. Tell me who can arm me, embrace your frame like I'm Tsunami Jones. Junior arms, accurate punches, flurry like firearms. Rip gums, scratch your bones, invoke a whirler arm. Incredibly, I dance around you, bring a 360 circumference, dynamic or a shatter in your confidence.
Sound of the street.